How's everybody doing today? Matt Joyce here, and today we're going to unbox a brand new set of dumbbells. I was able to get these at Walmart. I could not believe I was able to find a dumbbell set during these times. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so let's take a look and see what's inside this box. All right, here we go. We have our new adjustable dumbbell set made from cast iron. Here we were able to get this at Walmart. Now total weight 40 pounds. It's going to come with 4 2.5 pound plates, 4 6-pound plates, 4 collars, and 2 handles. So everything you see here is supposed to be in the box. We're going to open it up. Let's just open this up. Be careful when you open this up. Okay. We have 2.5 pound plates. So we have a total of 4. So that's 4 2.5 pound plates. We have 2 handles here. Awesome. So we have 2 handles to hold the weights. There we go. So 2 handles. Okay, we have the collars here. That's one set, and this is another set. Okay, then we have the larger plates. We have the 4 6-pound plates here. And that's it. That's the whole set right there. That's awesome. So we have our bars here. So we could place the weights on the bars. Just like this. There we go. We have a 40-pound set here. We put the collars on the sides. There we go. Okay. Okay, awesome. 2 20-pound sets here. So this is awesome. 20 pounds isn't that heavy, but it'll get you to where you gotta go. I was able to purchase more plates from Walmart, so I have larger plates. I was fortunate enough to get some bigger plates, so we have 10-pound plates here. I'll utilize these bars too for heavier weights too, so that's awesome. An adjustable dumbbell set from Walmart. 40 pounds. Can't go wrong, guys. For the price tag, it was just under 40 bucks, so you can't go wrong. If you could find it, grab it. It'll definitely come in handy. And there you have it, guys, a brand new set of dumbbells. and I was able to purchase some more weights on the side, so I'll be able to have a fully functioning dumbbell set to work out chest, biceps, triceps, shoulders, legs, full body exercises with dumbbells. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of my other videos. I'll link out 3 videos at the end of this video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troy signing out.